want to go. I really wanted to walk up there and take a picture off the top of the wheel.
John, there's no way. Ow, they're both going down.
That's not looking good.
Oh gosh, oh gosh.
Yep, he got it.
Oh, Sadie's taking the hard way up on a log.
I think he's okay. His sled's doing good.
It's really not acting like it is.
That's not fun for both of you, and Sadie got up there for both of you.
One way to get down to him. He acts like he's hurting pretty bad.
He might be.
He's getting up.
Ow!
I'm sure it hurt.
Sadie's going down.
Daniel, he can't control that one.
No.
We definitely don't want that sled. I love the plastic ones.
Big John, you just missed the funniest thing. What happened?
Go check on him. Oh, you don't want to get over there.
She goes. Sadie.